You know, when law enforcement has the evidence that exonerates an individual, yes, and then you accuse them of a crime, and then the person that committed the crime has illnesses and defects, yes, that the accused doesn't have, I'm going to sue you for that. Now, this adverse childhood experiences, yeah, I'm going to sue you for those because I provided to you what's known as child abuse and neglect laws. Yep. And you decided that you were going to misprison all your felonies. Now, as a father, yeah, I don't drink. Mm-mm. I don't smoke marijuana. Yes. I'm not a womanizer and I don't have a sex addiction. Yes. And when I tell you that I'm not someplace and you refuse to admit the evidence, I'm going to want you to do what the law says. Now, I'd like you to give me custody of my sons today. Yeah. And I'd like to speak to Marilyn Van Proyen. Because as I see it, these childhood experiences and their effect on her kids, yes, it is an indication of the psychosis of Mike Van Proyen that he can exploit her daughter, yes, in a Rotarian newsletter. Yeah, because you as police departments don't understand the significance of exploitation. I want you to have Marilyn speak to me, yes, about how she'd like to be in a relationship with myself, yes, that we will define once we're able to talk to each other. Yeah. Now, if you could enforce the laws of the United States, I would like to have my family today. And if you thought that I was going to be nicer tomorrow than I am today, yeah, you'd be sorely mistaken. Now, I'm going to want you prosecuted, yes. And for all of those in other states that say they have no liability, every state is liable for the actual research done as it affects what's known as the adverse childhood experiences. I'm going to sue every state of the United States. Now, if this state could get up off your ass and enforce the laws, I'd like to be residing with my family today. Seems like we pay a lot of money for this research. Yeah. See, yesterday I put on Facebook, yes, what's known as grants. We spend all this money researching all these various illnesses, defects, addictions, and any other effects of what's known as abuse. And then when it comes time to actually enforce the